United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea. Article 223. Measures to facilitate proceedings. In proceedings instituted pursuant to this part, states shall take measures to facilitate the hearing of witnesses, and the admission of evidence submitted by authorities of another state, or by the competent international organization, and shall facilitate the attendance at such proceedings of official representatives of the competent international organization, the flag state, and any state affected by pollution arising out of any violation. The official representatives attending such proceedings shall have such rights and duties as may be provided under national laws and regulations, or international law.